Okay, let's start a new one. Let's go a little bit quicker. So quickly I can see a 1. There's no 1 here, but I have this one here, this one here, here, 1, 1, 1. So we have a 1, 2. There's a 2, 2. 2 cannot go here, here. 2 cannot go here, so 2 goes there. Then we have a 2, there's a 2 there. 2, 2, 2, so we're missing a 2 here, so let's go with 3. There's a 3, 3, 3. Nope. There's a 3. Does it help us with the top one? Nope. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 cannot go here. We have this one. So 4. 4 cannot go here. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4 cannot go here, here. 4, 4. Let's go with 5. No, 5. This 5. So it can go one of these two. 5 cannot go here, so it could go in this one of these two. There's a 5, there's a 5. 5 cannot go here or here, so one of these two. Let's go with 6. 6. We have a 6. It's another one, another one. There's a 6. 6. Let's go with quickly with 7. No. No. 7. 7 can go there. 7. 7 goes here because of this one. 7s go up. So we have a 7. We still need a 7. Let's go quickly with 8. There's no 8 here, so we can't use it here. There's an 8 here. No. But this 8, I already see this here. There's an 8 there, so 8 can go one of these two. Doesn't really help us. There's an 8 there. So 8 goes up. There's 3 of them. So an 8 can go one of these two spots. 8 cannot go here or here, so we have these two spots. Let's go with 9, cannot go here or here. We have 3 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about 9 here? No. There's a 9, cannot go here. So 9 can go one of these two spots. 9 can go here. 9 cannot go here. 9. There's a 9. 1. We're missing a 2 for that row. Now, if we quickly go here, 1. We're missing a 2 in one of these two spots. There's a 2. We're missing a 3. So that helps us complete 1, 2, 3, 4. That helps us complete that one right there. And now with this, let's see if we can quickly complete another box. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 will go in one of these two spots, but we're also missing a 5. This 5 goes here. So 4 will go in one of these two spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4, 9 goes here, but look, 4, 9 goes here. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 goes here, 5, 6, we're missing a 7. And that helps us now. And there's a 4, 9 there. What about here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's an 8 or 9 here. 9, because this 9 goes there. 8 goes there. Look at this line. 1, 2, 3, we're missing a 4. Okay. Now, 1, 2, we're missing a 3. 3 is going to go in one of these two spots. 4, 5, 6, we're missing a 7, goes there. We're missing an 8. So a 3 and an 8 go up here. We can use our notes. 3, 8. Okay? 3, 8. Now, there's a 3, 8 there. Now, let's go with our Let's go with this box here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7, but look, there's a 7, so that means 8 goes here. This 8 goes here, that means 8 goes here, 3 goes there. So what about this top row? We're missing a 1, 2, 3, and a 4. 4 is already in this box, so 4 has to go there. 1 goes there. That's how we start completing our rows. Look at this row right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. What about this row? 1, 2. We're missing a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A 3 and an 8 also go here. Okay. Now, let's look at this box here. We're missing a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 9. So 159, because also 159 goes here. Do you see that part? So that means we have a 159 in one of these boxes. Yes. Now, look at this row. We have less numbers. 1 cannot go here, so 1 can go one of these two. Then we have 2. Then we're missing a 3, right? Now, we're missing 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and an 8. 1, 3, 8. So in one of those, it has to have a 1, 3, 8. Now, let's look at our ones. There's a 1 here. 1 cannot go there. We already have 1 here. So this means there's a 1, 3, 8 missing on that one. So from here, let's see, what do we do next? Let's try, oh, a 1 cannot go here, sorry, because there's this 1 here, right? 5 cannot go there because there's this 5 here. So there we go. But we can have a 159 there. But look at this row. We're missing a 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. We're probably missing the 9 too. So there we go. 159. But look, in this row, if let's say I put this here, 159. But there's a 5 and a 9, so that means that we need a 1 there. Right? So now that we have 1 there, that means we cannot have a 1 here, here. We have a 1 in that one. So with that one now, we need 1, look at this row. 1, 2, 3, here, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need a 3, 8 in one of these two spots, which is fine. But now let's look at, what about down here? 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's the 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That 9 cancels here. So 9 has to go here. 5 goes there. And look, we just uncovered 2 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 8 is here, so the 8 goes down here. 1, 2. We're missing a 3. 1, 2. We're missing a 3, which is here. And then a 9.